Hello students, welcome back to the fourth video of the chapter The Fundamental Unit of Life. In the earlier video we have done till the cell organelle mitochondria. Now we will be proceeding with the another cell organelle, that is plastid. Plastid is also called as the kitchen of the cell. It occurs in plant cells and is absent in animal cell. Like mitochondria, plastids also have their own genome and ribosome. Thus, they are the self-replicating organelles because they have the power to divide. There are three different types of plastids, that is chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast contains the green pigment called chlorophyll that helps in the absorption of sunlight in the process of photosynthesis. It helps in the production and the storing of glucose in plant cells. On the other hand, in case of leucoplast, in this plastid materials such as starch, oils, and other protein granules are stored. So it helps as a storing organelle. And chloroplast, they have the green pigments. Because of the presence of green pigments or the chlorophyll, plastid is also known as the kitchen of the cell. In chloroplast, each chloroplast is bound by the unit membrane called as the grana, which are present inside the chloroplast. These are the stack of membrane bound flattened discoidal sacs that contains the molecules of chlorophyll. They are the functional unit of chloroplast. That means grana, which are present like a coin of piles of coin. They are called as the functional unit of chloroplast. Next is the stroma. This fluid-like structure which is present within the chloroplast is called stroma. It is the homogeneous mixture in which these granas are embedded and contains variety of photosynthetic enzymes such as starch, DNA, ribosomes. All are present within the stroma of chloroplast. Next, we will talk about chromoplast. The word chromo means color. That means it imparts color to the plant, like that to flowers, so that they can attract insects for the process of pollination. These plastids also contain carotenoids, which is red, orange, or yellow pigment. Since I have already told you that it imparts color, so it is found in flowers and in fruits. Next organelle after plastid is the vacuole. Vacuoles are the fluid filled or solid filled membrane bound spaces. They are a type of storage sacs. It is a large central vacuole which is usually present in animal cells and usually present in plant cells, whereas in case of animal cells it is very smaller in size. Rather, we can say in animals, if the vacuoles are present, they are too small or they are temporary in nature, but they have the function to store water, glycogen, proteins, which helps in the maintenance of water balance and the ingestion of nutrient particles or the nutrient materials. Whereas in case of plant cells, the vacuoles are large, distinct, and permanent. So in mature plant cell, vacuole occupies the 90% area of the cell, and it is bound by a membrane called as tonoplast. This vacuole is filled with a cell sap, which is watery solution, and it is rich in sugar, amino acids, proteins, minerals, and the metabolic waste such as ethanocynin and alkaloids. The main function of vacuole is to maintain the osmotic pressure in a cell and to store toxic metabolic byproducts of the cell. It also helps to provide turgidity and rigidity to the plant cells. So, a question arises that what kind of microscope may have been used to take this kind of a picture which shows vacuole in plant cell. So the answer to the question is electron microscope. Now, after vacuoles, let us come to division of a cell or the topic cell division. As we are aware by the postulates of cell theory that the new cells arises from pre-existing cells. That means whenever new cells are formed in organism, they should have the following characteristics. That is, the cells should grow, they should replace the older ones, and they should form gametes for the process of reproduction. Depending on the type of cell division, there are two types of division. One is mitosis, another is meiosis. In case of mitosis, whenever a cell divides, it results into the formation of two daughter cells. Whereas on the other hand, in case of meiosis, when the cells are divided, a single cell result into the formation of four daughter cells. In case of mitosis, the number of chromosomes is intact or same in mother cell as well as in the newer cell or the progeny. Whereas in case of meiosis, when the cell division occurs, the number of chromosomes present in the mother cell gets half and the offspring contains half the number of chromosomes of their parent cell. The main purpose of meiotic division is to help in growth and repair in organism, whereas in case of meiosis, the cell division results into the formation of gametes. With this division of meiosis and mitosis, we finishes the chapter Cell, the fundamental unit of life. Hope you like all the videos of the chapter 5. Thank you for watching.